How to pay credit card bill in Swedbank. Log into your Swedbank account. Navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Select Pay bills or credit card payments. Choose the Swedbank credit card you want to pay. Enter the amount you wish to pay towards your credit card bill. Select the account from which you want to make the payment. Verify the payment details and ensure accuracy. Schedule the payment for immediate processing or a future date. Confirm the payment by following the on-screen prompts. Authenticate the transaction using your preferred security method. Review the transaction summary to ensure everything is correct. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.